Hello and welcome to Ray's Homegrown Veg Garden. Today is a Tuesday and it's my Tomato Tuesday update. Let's see what's in the polytunnel. Just popped down the plot today, give it a bit of a water and check on the tomatoes, and they've really come out bushy in the last day. These are my gardener's delight. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 gardener's delight, and now flowers are starting to come. Stems are really thick. It's my first time ever doing tomatoes, so I'm quite pleased. I'm watching Tony Smith's video about sun gold. Well, I happened to go to the garden centre skip and I found a sun gold, so I've stuck it on the end here. These are the gardener's delight. They're coming well good. I've ordered some clips to clip the wires on. At the moment they're not quite needed. And still growing in between the tomatoes is more tomatoes. So they'll come up soon. And I got the marigold. Quick update while in the tunnel. Strawberries are looking good. And I've also planted some brassicas on the back. Excuse the cups and the pots, just to tell me what's there. And some chilies I put in the polytunnel. And on the end is the cucumbers. Not decided on where the cucumbers are going yet. They're getting pushed around and nowhere to go. And some more strawberries. Look at that one. This is the peas, Alderman Peas. I'm actually getting some peas. Not many, but there's a few. This is my, I don't know, 4th attempt. I've tried them in trays, I've tried them in the ground, 2 lots of trays. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. Might be one of these things I just can't grow. But they're actually coming out now. There we have it. That's my tomatoes. These 4 gardener's delight are going to a plot neighbour, and got a few more spares, but they're looking a bit wilty now. Just been away for the last day, so just come in now. Also, could not resist, just another skip find for all these tomatoes, and I've just potted these 3 up, looking a bit yellow, a bit manky, but they're Elsa Craig. Not sure whether they're gonna survive or not. And I also put right at the back here a squash that was in the skip, so I haven't got a clue what that is. And some kale. Let's have a look in the cold frame, and there's some more tomatoes. These are a few random ones that were all in the skip. I'm not quite sure what they are. I don't really think I need too many more. And lastly, in the randomers polytunnel, before it gets too dark, this is the random ones that I've grown up. And across here, some more. And that's it. That's my Tomato Tuesday update. Last update on my runner beans. May recover, looking a bit better in places, trying to convince myself.